Good morning, everybody. Let me introduce myself. My name is Michelle Kaila Brahma. I'm from SMP Satu Corridor. The judge I that is jury. I respect. Today I will tell a powerful story originated from the Bia. The story entitled Sek Family, the villain hero from Korem. Sek Family was a memory, the villain of Korem from by attacks of a dragon. So, Korem come from word called is, we, and Ram is blessing, and the meaning is we will bless. As the story goes, we are people inside the time will bless the dragon distribute people. At the time, the woman Calvin Sundi was pregnant and the eagle had them. The eagle rode by the coaster of Barbon. People can see right now the woman and the roller coaster Barbon. People can see right now the woman and her mother were flown by the eagle, the promontory of the baby. The baby come to world by his mother. And his mother's name is Sek Family. The meaning is Sek Family is the one refers to birth and birth. Time goes by. Sek Family, his mother, uncle, and eagle were made a strategies to breed 7 levels of Kadaran. And after. Also they bullet the strategy that make the dragon that can sleep. Then strengthen the feeling. And the day dragon began to worship Amenity God page. Your friend to Rosram to be education with only